up, everybody? My beard is gone, and we are heading up to the northeast to go do a little saltwater and some freshwater fishing. Got the boat all loaded up here, and gonna head out late tonight and get on the road. We got about a 12-hour drive ahead of us, so we'll catch you when we get there. See ya. What's up, everybody? We're out here, me and Gabe are out here in the bay right now. We're here to do a little crabbing, a little fly fishing, see what we can catch. So we're gonna see what happens. Got a little bit of waves. It's a little wavy today, but no big deal. Pretty good out here. Got the little Sun Dolphin out. It's doing good. Yeah. All right, Gabe's out here freeing the horseshoe crabs. This guy was stuck up here. Yeah, pick him up. Put him in the water. Is he heavy? That's a big one. All right, so we docked the boat for a little bit because we wanted to come over here to this little island and check out the horseshoe crabs over here. It's like horseshoe crab mating season, and this beach is covered with them. And Gabe's out here flipping them over, and all the ones that got tipped over from the waves. There's literally hundreds of them. They're all over the place. Why? So you see how big he is next to you. Look how big this horseshoe crab is next to Gabe. Got one over here, he's stuck. Oh, he's alive. Alright, Gabe's gonna give him a little flip here. Whoop. He's coming to say hi. That one alive? There's one, look, he's moving. Pretty cool. Yeah, that's a big one. A lot of shells. Some big shells in here. Yeah, it's got a bunch of them stuck to it. That's cool. Come and say hi. All right, we're leaving Horseshoe Crab Island. See ya, horseshoe crabs. We gotta go catch some fish and crabs. Here we go. Right. All right, here we go.